Yes, for vendor management and business partner management in the drug safety and global regulatory space, it's highly regulated. And so one of the things I talk about is the need to make sure that we have oversight of our vendors and business partners with respect to adverse event reporting. That's very important for patient safety. So we have a vendor that we use for adverse event reporting, and we found that this particular vendor was reporting nearly every event that they heard about, which wasn't necessarily classifying, they weren't necessarily classifying the events as adverse events per se by the definition. What that did was took a lot of time away from the Jazz team in putting their focus on the true adverse events and reporting those true adverse events to the regulatory authorities. So working really closely with the vendor and with the department, PV operations that utilizes that vendor, we really help to train them on adverse event reporting and what classifies as an adverse event so that we could really shrink down the misreporting that was happening. And that really gave us time and the drug safety scientists time then to focus on the true adverse events that were very meaningful for our patients. Highly collaborative, trusted, great feedback from other companies that are using them. We take a look at their audit and inspection records to make sure that they are following up on any CAPAs that they have. So they really stick to their commitments and they deliver. So it's certainly meeting the people and hearing about all the different experiences. I know your keynote session, the early session that you had, it was great to understand what each of the companies are looking for in vendor management and how they're evolving over time to help support a more efficient vendor management type of environment. So far, I'm having a great time meeting everyone, networking, and really finding some commonalities in the work we do.